Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing out the L'Oreal True Match LUMI GLOTION. So I heard a lot of great things about this, and it's also a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. So I never used the Charlotte Tilbury, but I just want to use this for like a glow underneath of my makeup. So it says it's to hydrate, illuminate, instantly hydrates and illuminizes for an all-over fresh, healthy, naked skin glow. So that is what I want underneath of my makeup, and I thought that would be really good too, especially because summer's coming, you know, so let's try it out. So if you guys are new here, welcome. If you love makeup, hair, fashion, jewelry, all the things, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Facebook business page. Everything is linked in the description box of this video. I will be doing my makeup today using SEINT. I am an independent artist with SEINT. Everything for my full face is in one compact. So if you guys are interested in a color match for this makeup, you can fill out my free color match form. Again, everything is linked in the description box of this video. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the shade 902, which is light. So I'm actually going to use my, I don't even know how much you're supposed to put on, but I'm going to blend this with my Perfector sponge. So I actually ordered two colors. I got the medium because I'm tan, and then I got the light. So I wasn't sure, so I'm gonna use the light because I don't want this for my foundation. I want this simply underneath of my makeup. So, I mean, I can see the glow. I think this is like the perfect color for me, actually. So this is the light. Okay. Okay, so now I have that on my face, the L'Oreal LUMI GLOTION, which this is what it did. So I love it. Wow. This is like really, wow. I love it. I love it so much. I think this like really added a nice like sun-kissed glow to my skin. It's supposed to be hydrating. I don't feel sticky or anything. I'm really excited. So now I am going to apply my foundations. Okay, so this is what the LUMI GLOTION looks like underneath of my makeup. I am completely obsessed. I really love this. Even by itself, I think it's beautiful. It just adds that glow to your skin. It blends so well with this makeup. I used SEINT makeup today. I am an independent artist with SEINT Beauty, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I cannot say for a fact that it is because I've never used it. But what I can say is I love how this and my makeup blended. It didn't interfere with it at all. Like, it just is beautiful together. My skin looks hydrated, luminous. I have that nice sun-kissed glow going on. I absolutely love this. Do I think this is like an amazing investment? This is like $11. I think it's great. I think it's absolutely worth trying, whether you want to just wear it by itself or underneath of your makeup. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So there you guys go. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and be notified of all my future uploads because I have some amazing things coming and I can't wait to try them for you guys. I'm so excited. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.